हेलो एवरीवन, एक बार फिर आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर बहुत 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 स्वागत है। वैसे हमारे देश की करंट सिचुएशन से तो हम सभी वाकिफ़ हैं। सभी तरफ लॉकडाउन चला हुआ है, तो इस लॉकडाउन के बीच में कम से कम हमारी पढ़ाई तो सफ़र ना करे, है ना। तो इसीलिए आज मैं आप सभी के लिए आंसर्स लेकर आई हूँ। किसका आंसर्स लेकर आई हूँ? इंग्लिश का आंसर्स लेकर आई हूँ। कौन सी क्लास के लिए लेकर आई हूँ? क्लास 7 के लिए लेकर आई हूँ। कौन से बोर्ड से लेकर आई हूँ? वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लेकर आई हूँ। और कौन से चैप्टर का लेकर आई हूँ? तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 2 द रिडल का क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोग को बताऊंगी, मतलब पीछे का जितना भी एक्टिविटी है, राइट। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग लेट मी टेल यू ऑल, लेट मी रिमाइंड यू ऑल to subscribe my channel if you are new, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified with my upcoming videos. So let's start. The riddle. Activity 1. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. In this question, 3 options are given. Emperor Akbar was walking. Answer will be in the royal garden. You all can see I have underlined the line, even I have ticked out. B. Birbal was Akbar's most trusted and faithful minister. C. The emperor was worried. D. The fastest thing on the earth is the human mind. E. The neighbor was outwitted by Birbal. Coming to activity 2. Identify which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give a supporting statement for each of your answers. A. Emperor Akbar was very worried when he was roaming in his garden. And the answer will be, I have noted down in my notebook. So come, let's see what will be the answer. The answer will be true supporting statement because he could not find answer of a riddle. Next. There were no flowers and fruits in the garden of Akbar. So, false, because Emperor Akbar's and plants that produced fruits and flowers. This is the supporting statement. It is given in the book. C. Birbal was indifferent to Akbar's troubles. False. Birbal noticed that Emperor Akbar did not have peace of mind that day. Next, D. Birbal succeeded in answering to Akbar's query. True supporting statement. Birbal answered the riddle and robed it as well. Last one of this activity 2. E. The people of Akbar's court admired the wisdom of Birbal. True. People were amazed at the wisdom of Birbal. So with this we completed activity 2. Now coming to activity 3. So what kind of a text is this? Is it a play or essay or story? So answer will be, it is a story. Activity 4. Give another title to story. Give reasons for your answers. So the title of the story is Power of Human Mind. So why have I choose this title? Because obviously in this chapter we can see the power of a human mind, right? This chapter is totally based on the power of human mind and what can a human mind think, right? So coming with activity 5, continuing with activity 5, complete the sentences meaningfully. So continuing with activity 5, complete the sentences. Akbar asked Birbal, what is the fastest thing on this planet? Number B, most people of the court of Akbar were puzzled after listening to the question that troubled Emperor Akbar. C, the neighbor realized that he was outwitted by Birbal and withdrew his claim. D, the human mind is the fastest thing on the earth. Now, activity 6. Fill in the chart with information from the text. Cause and effect. One is done for you and one is given for you. Akbar was troubled This is the effect. The cause is Emperor Akbar could not find the answer of a riddle. Next, Emperor Akbar asked Birbal to solve a riddle. This is the cause, and the effect will be Birbal solved the riddle and proved it as well. Coming to next. Effect is given. The neighbor wanted to charge money for drawing water from the well. The cause will be the neighbor claimed that he had sold the well only, not water in it. So coming to activity 7, questions are given here. You all can see. A. What were the things that the great Emperor Akbar loved? The great Emperor Akbar loved arts, science, literature and music. Next question. Why did Akbar not have peace of mind? Akbar did not have peace of mind because he could not find the answers of the riddle. What was the problem presented by the man from the audience? So, here is the answer. The man said that he bought a well from his neighbor, but that seller wanted more for the water in it. Coming to the last question, how did Birbal solve the problem? So, hope so it's clear now. Birbal asked the buyer to take rent from the seller to keep his water in the buyer's well. Then the seller realized his mistake and withdrew his claim. So coming to activity 8, which will be last of this chapter. Activity 8. So what the question is, identify the words from the text which are the synonyms of the following words. So from the text you have to do this. Confused, puzzled, demanded, claim, argument, dispute, surprised, amazed. So hope so this was very much helpful for you all, especially for class 7 belonging from West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So please if you all liked this video, then please like and share with your friends. And yes, I will be back again with a new video. So please let me know in the comment box that how was this video and how much did this help you all. So please guys, like, comment and share. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time. Bye bye.